Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your designs with Adobe. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, open the Adobe application you prefer, such as Illustrator or Photoshop. Once your design is open, navigate to the File menu. Select the option that says Save As. In the dialog box, look for the File Format drop-down. Choose a format that suits your design needs, like PSD or AI. Next, consider using a password for added protection. If your software allows it, find the option to encrypt or password protect your file. If you're using Illustrator, go to the File menu and select Document Setup. Then, find the Security tab to set a password. In Photoshop, you can enable password protection through the Save As process as well. The next step is to create a watermark on your design. Select the text tool and type your brand name or a copyright statement. Adjust the opacity of the text to make it subtle yet visible. For more protection, save your design as a flattened image. This can discourage unauthorized editing or copying. It's also wise to make backups of your original design files. Store these backups in a secure location, such as a cloud service. Finally, consider sharing your designs through platforms that offer protections. These methods help ensure your creative work remains yours. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.